highly figured pomeli blue gum, 100% kiln dried. Anybody looking for highly figured, beautiful quality live wood slabs for any of your projects, call us. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. Look at the spectacular figuring on it. Highly figured. I don't know how to explain the quality. These are the dust, so you can see the beautiful figure on it. It put some water to show the color, but you can see now this entire stock is 6% moisture content on it and vacuum kiln dried. 8/4. Some of them are a little thicker than 8/4. So if you guys looking for high quality figured wood, yeah, that's what you can say. Call us. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California. Look at this beautiful figure on it. Look at that hints on it. So it's available right now. Anybody can call us and text us or email us. Figured wood. It's about a 400-600 board feet to 1,000 board feet in between. I didn't measure it yet, but we're going to measure it. We're going to put some clear walnut burrs right now. So these clear walnut burrs are going to the vacuum kiln dry right now. So we have a stock of 30 slabs going to be in the dryer today. Call us if you need anything like exotic burrs, lumber. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. Dryer is ready for another drying part, So another unit is going inside. Don't buy lumber in retail prices, buy in wholesale. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. Thank you.